Carmel is unique, diverse, and friendly.
Well, I'd say our school it's hard to find the words.
Our school is, in just a couple of words, academic, nurturing, and a real community.
Mount Carmel has a wonderful reputation for academics, but also has a great reputation as a very close-knit community between the families, the teachers, and the administration. And on top of all of that, it's a very nurturing environment, and we've been very pleased through our 8 years here.
Throughout my experience here at Mount Carmel, I felt this close-knit family, and my classmates turned into my brothers and sisters.
It's not just a school. It's spiritual life, it's sports, it's developing really the whole child. When people come to Mount Carmel, they jump on board.
¿De qué color es el tucán? Verde.
MCA really inspires me to come to work every morning, just seeing the kids' faces and knowing that they want to learn, they're here for a reason, the parents are here for a reason, and we're all in the same goal together.
What are you talking about when you're saying the sum?
It is a place where, out of respect, grows a culture that is loving and trusting and gives a child stable roots to grow into a strong adult.
Mount Carmel is hospitable.
Mount Carmel is respectful, loving, and trusting.
I would say Mount Carmel Academy would definitely be inspiring. There's not a day that I wake up that I don't want to come to work.
As a teacher, I'm inspired to come to work every day to see just the excitement on my children's faces when I come into the classroom. All the families and teachers and staff, we're all here because we believe the same things and we want the same things for our students.
Being part of a religious-based education allows you to touch the individual in ways of being concerned about their community, being concerned about the environment. We have a green team program here where the kids are involved in collecting the recyclables. We also do service starting in the 5th grade. So starting that idea at early ages is going to carry them through the rest of their life.
Mount Carmel is challenging, fun, and supportive. I'm going to be so completely prepared for high school and college. It's great. Overall, I'd rank this a 10 out of 10 school.
You never need to fear.